E thuolo mokwongo, meli mar adhai midendo ni Hog Australis mani kod bor ma mita 200 kendo mating'o geche mo 9,000 ne ogoyo dho wath ma Mombasa. Melino molosi lony manyasani kendo matiyo gi gas midendo ni liquefied natural gas en achiel kuom meli madongo molosi rang'iny mamalo mageto rito lwasi manam e yor garo iro migolo gi meli mamoko matiyo gi mafuta tend wath ma Mombasa. Kod Chief Pilot Suleiman Bakari mane okwang'o melino kadonjo wath ma Mombasa ne okoni mae en okang' maduong' ma wath ma Mombasa ogoyo. Nimar mae thuolo mokwongo melino obiro e pinje mag Afrika.
This is a real-time camera.
Today marks a very important day for Kenya Ports Authority as we cross a very important milestone in welcoming the first LNG-powered vessel to ever come to East African ports. The MV Hog Australis is a 200-meter vessel and boasts of a capacity of 9,304 vehicles, and it has 16 decks. This is the largest to ever call to our ports, and most importantly, this eco-friendly ship boasts of cutting-edge technology where it uses LNG fuel, very clean energy option.
I've been already here for 4 months, and then at least the vessel is safe for 4 months, and I have remaining 2 months for bringing the ship safely.
On the shipping side, we are trying to make the carbon footprint in whatever ways to reduce, and this is one of part on shipping line to ensure that our vessels are completely green. And you'll ensure that these vessel emissions are very minimal. It's not even 0.005. It's less than that.
Kadieri meli no en radhai nikech meli maromo mita 200 omanyala ringo mita 100.